Welcome back to Mars Tech. Imagine having a tool that claims to analyze football data and suggest matches that could win. Today I'm going to show you a new software called VIP Tips. VIPICKS Tips that many people are talking about for daily football predictions. So if you love football analysis and want to see how these tools work, this tutorial is for you. So in this video I'll show you what VIPICKS Tips is, how to access the tool, how to generate daily football match predictions, how to analyze the tips before placing any bet, and then by the end of this tutorial you'll know how to use this software step by step. So what is VIPICKS Tips? So it is a VIPICKS Tips is a football prediction tool that claims to analyze match statistics and generate match suggestions. So the software typically analyzes team form, head-to-head results, league performance, goal statistics, historical match data. Based on this data, it generates daily football tips. So accessing this software. To access this software, you're going to go to Google Chrome and then you're going to put in this link in your browser. You're going to put in this link. I'm going to be putting it in the video description, and then you search, and then after searching, go and have download now. So this link is in the video description. Check the description, then it will be present. So download the software, and then after downloading the software, it will appear in your downloads. Install the software, this one. But before installing the software, make sure that your Google Play Store Play Protect is off. Sorry, your Google Play Store Play Protect is off. This is what we're going to do. Now, after installing the application, we're going to open this application. And then installing this application, this will be the dashboard. You're going to navigate to home, and then you're going to see these free matches. These are just for free, but if you want to access those paid matches, you can go and have paid. And then if you want to access the VIP matches, you can access those matches. This application is good because I've tried it for several times, but the results were so massive. As you see, this application can unlock provided that you have the coins. Let us first see those matches, because right now they haven't played any matches, but if they played matches, you can see those matches right here which we have won. So you can also add some coins. This application it will be giving you daily tips, so I recommend my viewers, my subscribers, to use this application. And this video is strictly for educational and information purposes. Football prediction tools analyze statistics, but not software can guarantee 100% winning results. So always use betting platforms responsibly and only risk what you can afford to lose. And this is how you can use this application to generate daily football match predictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment if you want more tutorials about these useful online tools, and then I sign out.